Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day, I mean to the judges who are watching this video. Today, my team and I would like to present our innovation titled Earth to Glow Development of Body Scrub using Coconut Flesh Waste and Stingless Bee Honey. So to start off our presentation for today, I would like to introduce our project advisor, Mr. Hafizuddin bin Kamaruddin, and also our project members, which we have four, including Anis Danisha, Shania N, Errol Nadia, and Patriciana Clara.
Coconut cocos nucifera from the family Eraceae is widely used in food and cosmetic products due to its rich nutritional and functional properties. The physical characteristic of coconut, its particle size, hardness, and shape make it an effective natural exfoliant for removing dead skin cells. Stingless bee, their honey differs from Apis mellifera honey due to its higher moisture content, higher acidity, and lower pH. Research has shown that stingless bee honey possesses antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antimicrobial, and wound healing properties.
Our problem segment is called the dual crisis, agricultural waste and synthetic pollution. For the waste issue, rising coconut production in Malaysia around 653,000 tons in 2014, and then 48,000 metric tons of coconut fresh waste CFW were generated annually according to 2010 data. And then current disposal is discarded or left to decompose, causing environmental management problem. Next, for the skincare gap, commercial scrubs often rely on synthetic, non-biodegradable exfoliating agents. These agents are harmful to the environment and can be irritating to the skin. The opportunity is CFW remains underutilized despite having the perfect texture for natural exfoliation. Our project objectives are develop, enhance, evaluate, and localize. Number one is develop, is to create a body scrub using shredded coconut flesh as a sustainable alternative to conventional exfoliating agents. Number two is enhance, to prepare a formulation incorporating stingless bee honey to assess its moisturizing and soothing properties. Number three is evaluate, to determine the compatibility of developed scrub with various skin types through safety and physical testing. And number four is localize, to explore the potential of locally sourced materials from Sarawak in personal care products.
To craft this luxurious natural body scrub, we carefully formulated a precise 75-gram batch using powerful local ingredients, 50 grams of coconut shreds, 10 grams of coconut oil, and 15 grams of stingless bee honey. With simple yet essential apparatus, including a saucepan, oven, sieve, mixing bowl, metal spatula, mixing spoon, measuring cup, and storing container, the first step is preparation of grated coconut. To ensure safety and quality, the coconut shreds were dried at 100 Celsius for 30 minutes, eliminating moisture and minimizing bacterial growth, elevating our scrub to hygienic excellence. Step 2 is sieving the coconut shreds. The dried coconut was sieved through a 1.0 mm sieve to achieve uniform particle size, granting a smooth, gentle exfoliation experience that meets cosmetic standards. The third step is coconut oil addition. 10 grams of coconut oil was incorporated, enhancing moisturization and ensuring a silky, luxurious texture that nourishes the skin deeply. Last but not least, the step is mixing with stingless bee. Stingless bee honey was blended thoroughly to create a rich, homogeneous paste, delivering antibacterial power, antioxidant protection, and intense hydration in every application.
The first evaluation tests are physical and safety assessment. Spreadability test is conducted to assess how easily the scrub spreads uniformly over the skin. The goal is to ensure even dispersion exfoliants without excessive friction. Next is patch test to evaluate safety on human skin, specifically due to the acidic nature of stingless bee honey. Method is to apply small amount to limited area, observe for redness, itching, or inflammation. Next is evaluation test, which is the pH test. The body scrub pH is within 5 to 6, which is good for human skin natural pH, around 4.5 to 6.5. The pH protocol is rational. Compatibility prevents disruption of the acid mantle, and the method is scrub diluted with distilled water and then measured using pH strips at room temperature, repeated 3 times to obtain mean value.
For the spreadability test, the formulated body scrub showed good application performance. When applied thinly to the skin, the coconut shreds were evenly distributed with a consistent particle size and no visible clumping. This indicates that the exfoliating particles were well incorporated into the formulation. When the body scrub was applied thickly on a flat surface on the other hand, it remained cohesive and homogeneous. The formulation did not crumble or separate, indicating suitable viscosity and good internal cohesion. Overall, the body scrub demonstrated good spreadability and consistency, supporting even exfoliation and improved user comfort.
This is the result on the skin irritation or patch test. During application, there is no burning sensation, redness, or itching that can be observed. And then after removal, which is after 20 minutes, there is still no inflammation or irritation that is visible on the skin. In conclusion, our product is dermatologically safe for topical use under tested conditions. Especially Sarawak, both coconut and stingless bee honey hold economic value. Kelulut honey commands premium price due to its high demand in food, pharmaceutical, and cosmetic industries. With increasing consumer preference for natural and organic skincare products, These locally sourced ingredients offer strong potential for sustainable and skin-safe body scrub development.
For our discussion, in this study, the evaluation of the formulated body scrub was limited to 3 tests, namely the pH test, spreadability test, and skin irritation patch test. This because the product was developed as a homemade innovation without access to formal laboratory facilities. These tests were selected as they are simple, cost-effective, safe, and suitable for preliminary cosmetic evaluation. They allow basic assessment of skin compatibility, usability, and safety. Other tests, such as microbiological analysis, stability studies, and chemical composition analysis, were not conducted due to the need for specialized equipment, controlled laboratory conditions, and ethical approval. Therefore, the selected tests were considered sufficient for preliminary evaluation and limited resources.
Our innovation of the Glow Scrub is a revolutionary fusion of botanical and entomological synergy, transforming coconut flesh waste into a biodegradable exfoliant while harnessing the extraordinary power of Stingless honey Heterotrigona itama. Unlike conventional scrubs filled with synthetic microbeads or regular Apis mellifera honey, our formulation leverages low pH, high acidity, and rich flavonoids and phenolics to deliver superior antioxidant, antibacterial, and moisturizing benefits. Rooted in Sarawak's biodiversity, this product embodies sustainability, local resource empowerment, and functional cosmetics, proving that waste can become wealth, nature can outperform synthetics, and innovation can truly glow from the earth itself.
Beneficial impact for the user is to provide smoother, radiant skin by combining moisturizing, cleansing, and brightening antibacterial properties. For the environment is to promote eco-friendly choices, reduces agricultural waste, and eliminates plastic pollution. Next is for society and economy, supports sustainable Sarawak resources, creates opportunities for small-scale entrepreneurship and community empowerment.
In conclusion, our project successfully formulated a natural body scrub using shredded coconut flesh waste and Stingless honey. This product has demonstrated good spreadability, a skin-compatible pH of approximately 5, and no observable skin irritation during patch testing. It also showed cohesive texture and proper particle dispersion, meeting the basic functional and safety requirements of a range-of cosmetic product. By combining coconut shred as a natural exfoliant and Stingless honey as a humectant, this formulation not only enhances skin smoothness but also promotes the sustainable use of agriculture byproducts and locally sourced materials. However, our study was limited to preliminary laboratory evaluations and small-scale formulation. Further studies, including stability, microbiological safety, and extended dermatological testing are recommended. Overall, our innovation shows strong potential as an eco-friendly, locally sourced body scrub with opportunities for future small-scale commercialization in Malaysia.
To summarize and end our presentation for today, as you can see in our gallery, the formulation showed satisfactory results in the conducted test, indicating that it is suitable for topical use. Thank you for your attention, and we hope that you enjoy our presentation. Thank you.